Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the toolbar layout in Firefox Nightly browser on mobile. If you are looking for a way to customize your browsing experience and make it more convenient, first, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Customize to find visual and appearance-related settings. After that, you will see the Toolbar Layout option. Here, you can choose between simple or expanded layouts depending on your preference. The simple layout keeps your toolbar minimal and clean, while the expanded layout provides additional buttons and quick access features. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends.